Niche number 11 is the quiz niche. I'm sure you've seen different viral quizzes out there online on websites like BuzzFeed, in which they do viral quizzes like find out your spirit number by taking this quiz. And I'm sure you've seen them on the internet, and one of the reasons they're so prevalent is due to the fact that they can go so viral. Because everybody wants to know what type of dragon they are based off their birthday, and this concept has actually been applied to YouTube as well. And a lot of the channels that are doing this are getting a ton of views and subscribers. And a great example is this channel right here called Mr. Test with over 500,000 subscribers. And they just do videos like, what will the age gap be between you and your true love? And it basically just asks a bunch of questions in the video. You answer the questions and then it gives you a result based off of what you said towards the ends of the video. And on all of these, you could literally just design a lot of these videos with Google Drawings and make these types of videos very easily, just doing a voiceover on top of the video, either doing it yourself or paying someone else to do it. Here's yet another channel called 1 Million Tests, and they have over 600,000 subscribers, and they last uploaded a video over 1 year ago, yet they're still getting 3.2 million views a month on their channel. That's really a testament as to how powerful this niche is. And as you can see, they just do videos like, what kind of angel are you? With over 5 million views on the video. And also you can go to Fiverr and literally just search viral quiz on Fiverr. And as you can see, there's people who will make questions for a viral quiz for as little as just $5. And then you could also just go to Fiverr and type in voiceover and pay someone to do a voiceover for the channel, talking through the different questions. And then finally, you could literally just pay someone to animate the video. There's tons of different animation gigs on Fiverr that you could pay for and get these types of videos made.